Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for January 30th. We're going to start off with the S&P 500. Just a little backdrop here. The break above. I warned we were in the last stretch of the move up from 58.09 with possible exhaustion at 61.61 to 325. We held that with a 61.62.25 high and rolled over 214.25 into a bearish correction. That was holding this up here, rolled over here, then held this exhaustion level right here at 59.44 with a 59.48 low, and we've rallied 168.25 out of there. Then we also broke above 60.57.50 right here, which also warned of strength. That has brought in 58.75 of strength. We pulled back to the line here and again here. Decent trade above this small formation up here, which is going to come in at 61.0591 minus 13 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll project this upward 50 handles minimum, 150 handles plus maximum. Decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 60.6450 plus 73 per hour starting at 6 o'clock. We'll project this downward 50 handles minimum. And that would likely also take break below here decently. So that would also open up the downside further. I would not short against this line. Maybe take a short on a lean against this at 60.2350. Okay, and the gold left the maintain gap higher today, so we left the minor bullish reversal below, which also negated the minor bearish reversal above that we left on January 27th. So I said a maintain gap higher would leave that minor bullish reversal below. I also said, note, we may be in the last stretch of the move up from 16.1830 in November of 2022 with initial possible exhaustion at 28.7210. And then the next level is at 29.6270 to 29.9360. Then I said to get long on a decent penetration above 28.1290. To further get long above 28.1680. So we've taken out this formation right here. We've taken out this formation right here. We're still resting below this one at 28.4760. But if we break above there decently, back down through it decently, look for decent pressure. We also broke above this formation. Decent failure back below this formation, which is going to come in at 28.20 even plus 2 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warn of decent pressure. Okay, in the Bitcoin, I won't go over the overall stuff today. Trade above 96,375 to 420. Projected this upward 6,800. We attained 13,730 before rolling over, but that's off hold now. Then the trade above 100,382. I said one of strength. We'd seen 6,320. And then a little bit more than that today. Then trade above 102,895. Right here, also warned of strength. Now we've broken above this line, but not decently. So a decent break above there will further project this higher. That's going to come in at 105,534 minus 28 per hour. Could also be drawn to come in at 105,570 on the front month February contract. If we were to fail back down through this line decently, that's going to warrant decent pressure. That's going to come in at 103,287 plus 15 per hour. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.